Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these carrot cake cookies. Let's begin. To start on the recipe, grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your butter, your light brown sugar and your granulated white sugar, then beat together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. You can then go ahead and add in your egg and vanilla and mix in until they are fully incorporated. This will change the consistency of the mixture, which is what you're looking for, but it will come together. Let it mix until it does, then you can go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and add in the carrots and then mix this in by hand just until it's fairly distributed throughout the mixture. Then you can go ahead and add in the rest of the ingredients, which is your dry ingredients, starting with the flour and the baking powder, salt, and then your spices. And then don't forget to add in walnuts. Then mix on a low speed to start with, working your way up to a medium-high speed. Just mix until a dough has formed, being careful to not over mix the mixture, otherwise the cookies will take on a tough texture. Give the bowl one final scraping down. You might find this cookie dough is a little stickier than usual, and that's due to the moisture from the carrots, but don't worry, it works out wonderfully. Take your scoop and scoop a good amount of the cookie dough onto the tray. You don't need to shape it or anything. This cookie dough works really well on its own. This is what they look like before they go into the oven, so then you can go ahead and place them into your preheated oven and bake them up. All that information will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you're interested in making these. Seeing as I had some leftover cream cheese icing, I thought I'd ice these cookies because carrot cake and cream cheese icing goes really well together. Pipe a dollop of the icing onto the top of each cookie, spread it out as best or as roughly as you want. Then just on the one side added some walnuts. Feel free to toast them if that helps you any, or if you want to do that, you don't have to. It's just a bit of a textural thing. And then repeat the process for the remainder of your cookies. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to my social medias. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.